وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين ومن الناس من يقول and among men there are some who say ومن الناس من يقول and among men there are some who say آمنا we believe بالله وباليوم الآخر in Allah and in the last day بالله وباليوم الآخر in Allah and in the last day وما هم بمؤمنين yet they are not believers وما هم بمؤمنين yet they are not believers يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا يخادعون they try to deceive يخادعون they try to deceive الله والذين آمنوا Allah and those who believe Allah والذين آمنوا Allah and those who believe وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون وما يخدعون while they are not deceiving anyone وما يخدعون while they are not deceiving anyone إلا أنفسهم except themselves إلا أنفسهم except themselves وما يشعرون although they are unaware of it وما يشعرون although they are unaware of it في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا في قلوبهم مرض in their hearts there is a malady في قلوبهم مرض in their hearts there is a malady فزادهم الله مرضا so Allah has made them grow in their malady فزادهم الله مرضا so Allah has made them grow in their malady ولهم and for them there is عذاب أليم a grievous punishment عذاب أليم a grievous punishment بما كانوا يكذبون because they have been lying بما كانوا يكذبون because they have been lying وإذا قيل لهم when it is said to them وإذا قيل لهم when it is said to them لا تفسدوا في الأرض do not spread disorder on the earth لا تفسدوا do not spread disorder في الأرض on the earth قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون قالوا they say إنما نحن مصلحون we are but reformers إنما نحن مصلحون we are but reformers المفسدون. It is in fact they will spread disorder. إنهم هم المفسدون. It is in fact they will spread disorder. ولكن لا يشعرون. But they do not realize. But they do not appreciate.